Hello guys, and welcome to the channel once again. And today I'm going to talk to you about tap to earn crypto. Okay, so if you have come across this trend, this new trend where you see people tapping on their screen, okay, and you would think they are playing some kind of a game. Okay, you are right, it's a game, but that is not just a game. Okay, in this game they are playing a game and then they will be rewarded, so they will cash out as they play this game. Okay, so what is this game all about? This is a game where you tap on your screen, and in return of your efforts in tapping and accumulating more of these coins. Okay, so as you tap, you'll be accumulating coins. Okay, these coins are not just coins. Okay, they are cryptocurrencies. So in this case, you tap your screen to earn cryptocurrencies. We all know how difficult it is to own or to earn cryptocurrency. It's either you buy the cryptocurrency or invest in expensive resources, to be able to mine cryptocurrency. But that is not the story today. Today, you can simply tap on your screen to earn or to own a particular cryptocurrency. So the next time you see someone tapping their screen, they are not just playing a game, they are actually mining cryptocurrencies. This is what we call tap to earn cryptocurrencies. Okay, so how does this work? In this tap to earn cryptocurrency thing, all you have to do is to tap your screen, accumulate more coins, and when the project launches, okay, the coins you accumulated will be converted to a particular cryptocurrency, and then you'll be rewarded your due portion. Okay, so in this case, you get what you mined. So the more you mine, the more reward you will get. Okay, and once it launches and the project gets listed on the crypto market, that means whatever you accumulated during the mining can be exchanged for fiat or can be exchanged for real cash. You can sell it off and then take your cash and go away. Okay, and if you don't want to sell, you can also hold. We will talk about holding cryptocurrencies in another video. Okay, this video is not about holding a cryptocurrency, but this is about tap to earn. So in this tap to earn, you tap your screen. At the end of the day, the project gets launched and then gets listed. You withdraw your rewards and then you can sell it off and then take out the cash, or you can exchange it for fiat currency. How to join this mining games? In order for you to be able to join these games, you need one, your smartphone, and if you are watching this video, that means you are good to go. Second, you will need a Telegram account, which I believe many of you have. But if you don't have a Telegram account, Telegram account is very easy to set up. Okay, you just have to download the Telegram app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and then set up an account for yourself, just like you creating a WhatsApp account. It's very simple as that. Okay, and once you are done with that, just check the description of this video. I have a link to my WhatsApp community. Okay, you can click on the link to join. So as you join my WhatsApp community, I will give you a list of these tap to mine projects which you can join, and then you can also start mining crypto. And once again, to remind you, when you see them tapping, they are not just tapping, they are mining cryptocurrency, which you can also do. Okay, so if you want to earn with us, just join us now. It is not late at all. Get involved in this crypto space before it becomes too late. So that will be all for this video, but please, before you go, do subscribe to the channel and then like this video, and also share this video to a friend or a family member to also benefit from this tap to earn game. See you in my next video.